Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to turn your PDF into a QR code. Let's begin. Turning your PDF into a QR code is a quick and easy way to share the document with others, making it a smart choice for sharing. Because, for example, I'm working with Andy right now. I'm gonna send the thumbnail to the editing team. Now, what I'm going to do for this specific thumbnail is I'm going to click on share and I'm going to download this PDF. You see, we have an option here to download as PDF standard. All right, so you have an option for the flattened PDF or include notes. I'm going to click on download. As you can see, download has started. Now, I'm switching over to these platforms. Bitlink. It is a shortened URL created using Bitly, a popular URL shortening service because Bitly allows users to take long web addresses and condense them into shorter manageable links such as QR codes. All I'm going to do is go to the QR code. You can connect with their audience with a simple scan. Basically, you can create a QR code from any short link, then edit, customize, and track your QR codes here. Click on the QR code. Then all I'm gonna do is download the destination URL, obviously here, and similarly just follow the on-screen prompts. Now the next platform is TinyHost. This is one of my favorite platform because it is one of the user-friendly platform designed for quickly and easily hosting and sharing static websites for using the QR code. Now all I'm gonna do is click on upload here. You can simply put in the name like this one and upload the file. Once you've done that, you would be able to have more options to click on publish. Just wait for it. Working its magic. Once the PDF has been downloaded, you would be able to see an option to view the QR code right here. Right? See that one, the view QR code. Now, if that doesn't work for you, you might want to hover back to your Canva file, go to elements and type in code generator. You see, you can generate custom QR codes for printing and sharing if you click on the use app. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions. You can add content to design, upload media to Canva on your behalf, and of course, you can generate custom QR codes for printing and sharing. Just click on open and that would be an easier enter your URL and they will create a code for you. For example, this one, enter URL. Basically, you have an option here at the customize. You can choose any color that you wanted, even the foreground, maybe just a little bit yellow, even a margin, and click on the generate code. You see, just wait for it to load. And that's going to be the QR code, which you can share, by the way, here on the platforms that you wanted to share it. Now, the last option is a platform called QR code generator. And of course, from here, all you're going to do is click on next, upload the file. All right. And then once you've done that, what will happen is you can simply name your code here. And just simply follow the on-screen prompt at the bottom, all right? And click on next. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for tuning into Andy's Guides. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And do not forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all the latest content. See you in the next guide.